everyone, GC17 here, and we're back for another SG video. Now we just only have 1 minute, so let's just wait. Blah blah bee blah boo babu. Wiggle wiggle wiggle. You're playing on SG398. Give this IP to others to play game. Yay. La 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 la. You have 30 seconds. La 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 la. Now you only have maybe about 20 seconds. This is 9, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Whoa, oh, what the fuck? Oh, nice one. Let's just fucking run. Oh, my glove. Let's just fucking run. No, let's go to our ship. No one is following. Okay, just wait. Just wait. Here. Freak you. Freak me. Absolutely great parkour skills. Great parkour skills. Let's see what happens. Let's see. No one is following us. So maybe that's a good idea. Let's just wait. Now. So let's just find some items so we can just go into the forging chest. Oh, tanks. That one is a good forging toys. I have a full set of iron. Okay. Full set of iron. Let's go down. Oh no, just my favorite map. I wish we can find some sticks around. So let's just wait. Oh, there's a fudging chest. We can't really find anything, but let's just wait.
Yan. Tulog na.
Nakabangunan.
Let's just go. Oh, 4, 3, yeah, that we can eat. So let's just put there. Now let's see what's coming. Frick you will die if you come in here. I'm the great pirate of the ship. Ow, that hurts. Listen, I'm just joking. Now let's go back in here to the freaking chest. Oh, another 3 iron. What the fudge? We can go out in here. Let's destroy this. Ow, that hurts. Frick you. Now, do I know what a chest around? Oh, frick. What do I do? Oh, let's take a shortcut. I wish we got this chest. Oh, come on. What's this? Is there any chest? Oh, frick. I still. Oh, I'm so lucky. That has been on film. Let's just stay in our ship. Now, let's see. Let's go back to the chest from steel, tree bread. Now, let's go up. Oh, there's a freaking stick. Maybe we can kill one. So let's just go back. I can jump high. Now let's go over this freaking ship. Oh, you cannot get over to it. Yeah. They just freaking swim. Now let's see. 3 minutes. Let's see. Now, quotable that move. Yeah. Now let's see. There's normal people in the spawn point. Because there are many chests around, so I can craft from there. There's a crafting table around there. As you can see, you cannot craft in here. So you can see we have to that. Then let's grab a bow. Then there's another one there. No, I just saw one, and there's another one here. And there are no freaking needed items around, so let's see. I'm on a full mindset. Nothing. There's still 2 minutes. Let's go up in here so we can see the top. So we can see if there are people around. Oh, there's one. Maybe I can kill it. Oh god. Freaking lag. Freaking lag. There's one. People, oh fudge, I had only 9%. Oh. Let's see. I'm just gonna plug in my charger. Just gonna plug in my charger. Guys, so I'm just freaking win this game. Cause it's full here. No. Yeah, only 1 minute. We can still eat this. Let's go run. Craft this freaking iron sword. Just freaking run. Till you can. Run until you can. You need to survive, little TC-17. You need to survive. Oh, there's a chest in here. Freaking lag. Let's see. Let's go in here. I'm Tarzan. Oh. Now let's see here. No chance. No. Let's just wait for the death match. We are ready in 3, 2, 1. Where are you freaking? Oh, you're full of iron shit, but I am destroyed. Oh, what the fuck? Oh! So, guys, that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. And goodbye.